Here I am. Right check, mic check, mic check, mic check.
This is a Storm Tracker severe weather warning.
Good afternoon. Storm Tracker meteorologist John Wheeler here with the first of what will likely be a very, very busy afternoon and evening of severe weather. At the moment, our attention is focused on this area north of Adams. Tornado warning was issued by the National Weather Service for a radar-detected potential tornado development near Fairdale, North Dakota. This is all south of Langdon. Langdon is right about here underneath my red bar there. So here's Cavalier, Crystal, Park River, Fordville. Grafton is over in this area. Here's Brockett. So you got Devil's Lake down to the southwest, Grand Forks down to the southeast. This is up in northeast North Dakota, and there is rotation indicated, pretty good rotation right now, northwest of Adams, right near the community of Fairdale. That's about 20 miles southeast of Langdon. Now, this individual storm cell, if it is producing a tornado, one has not been seen from the ground yet, or at least not reported, but the rotation there looks like one could certainly form. That rotation right in this area is indicative of a very strong updraft and quite potentially a tornado. So this is not the usual as just radar detected. This is one, yes, this storm quite capable of generating a tornado, so take it very seriously. It is moving very slowly right now toward the east and northeast along a line of developing thunderstorms, which are all kind of not moving that much, but generally building in a northeasterly direction. There are a number of severe thunderstorm warnings out for this area, and over northeast North Dakota over the next hour or two, there will be a lot of storms with the possibility of damaging hail, strong gusty winds in excess of 70 miles an hour, and a few of these may produce a brief tornado or two. So it's a very volatile looking afternoon. Very intense lightning coming out as these storms are really firing rapidly, and as they rapidly grow, they can produce severe weather rapidly. No warnings yet on these in northwest Minnesota. Probably won't be for a while, but this area looks fairly volatile as well. That's currently north of Thief River Falls in the area around and just a little bit south of Karlstad. So the storms that we're seeing in a broken area stretch from about Pembina all the way back to about Bismarck, and this is along an area of a front. Winds are northerly on the north side of that front. It's warm and muggy with strong south-southeast winds on the south side, and I expect this front will gradually move eastward through the region over the next several hours, and it will likely produce widespread strong to severe thunderstorms. And as the line really gets organized, we're going to see it probably developing into a more organized line with mostly just a wind threat. And that'll be like later this afternoon and this evening as it moves through the Red River Valley and potentially on into west central Minnesota. For the time being, we have a severe thunderstorm watch through 9 o'clock. Does include Grand Forks, Fargo, all of central and northwestern North Dakota. I want to go back to the radar one more time. There's not a lot of rapid southeastward progress right now. At the moment, it's going to be from northeast North Dakota down through an area right around or a little north of Bismarck. The area will start getting organized, and then eventually it will form a line, and we'll start seeing it progress southeast. So be weather aware today. The severe thunderstorm threat is, I would say, a little higher than usual tonight. We will likely see a number of these storms producing swaths of damaging winds, especially this evening and in the early part of tonight. And at the moment, there is a threat for a few of these to be developing large hail and tornadoes as well. Not going to stay on the weather all afternoon, but we will be monitoring closely. We'll interrupt when dangerous weather arrives. Otherwise, we'll continue to crawl across the screen. And of course, the onus is on you to stay weather aware. You can use our Storm Tracker app or any weather app if you don't have the Storm Tracker app. Just make sure you know what's going on with the weather today. It's a little more volatile situation than just a typical stormy day. Back to regular programming for now. I'm Storm Tracker meteorologist John Wheeler.
This has been a Storm Tracker severe weather warning.